guys, welcome back to L.J.C crafts, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a lemon. So this is going to be your setup. So if you want to get your bands looking like this, then let's get started. You will only be needing a hook for today's video. So what you're going to want to start by doing is getting one single band and making a triple cap band. And for the rest of our lemon, we're going to be using two bands, so double bands. So grab two double bands and put the cap band through those two double bands like I'm doing now, and then reclaim it onto your hook. And we're going to be grabbing two more bands, and we're going to be putting it through, and only put through one side and not two, and then re-put it on your hook. And this part's a little bit tricky, but just watch what I'm doing and then follow. So grab your hands and put it through, and then lift it off of your hook and then put it through on the other side. We're going to be flipping it, and we're going to be grabbing two more bands, and we're going to be putting through the other side of our little thing, and just hold it there, because we're now going to be grabbing two more bands, and we're going to be, again, double bands, and we're going to put it on. You can use your middle finger as I'm trying to do so here, and then just grab the two middle bands and put it over top of the one. Just watch what I'm doing. So there's one, and now we're going to be grabbing the other one, and then put the middle band on there first on your middle finger, then put the first one on, and that's going to be our third row. And now we're just going to repeat that step. So grab two more bands, and that's what the lemon looks like. You can stop here, but we're going to add more just so that it's longer, so it looks more like a lemon. So grab two more bands, put through the, what's it called, the band, only one, and then re-put it on top. And then we're going to put our finger through like we did the last time, and then we're going to take it off of our hook and then just flip it around so that it's in the other side. So we can do the same to the other side now. So grab two more bands and then put through the one there, and then hold it, like don't put it back on, because we need to put one in the middle now. So now get two more bands here. These will be your last yellow bands. Put them on your middle finger, and then just put the two in the middle onto the hook. I am struggling a bit here, so I'm gonna just, you can sit in silence and watch me, because I've been bullied nonstop for my singing. So so we're going to be putting the one over top and then the other one, and then just reclaiming them onto the top. And that's all you're going to be needing for the yellow bands. And now you're going to be needing your two green bands, double bands, and we're going to be making the leaf. And then you're just going to want to put every single band you have on the top. It will hold, don't worry. If you want, you can only add one, but I like adding two just so I'm sure, and I like how it's stronger. And now we're just going to make a clip band, a slip knot, sorry. Just pull it over top and then pull it tightly. And there you have your beautiful lemon. Mine's just a bit stretched out because I'm using rubber bands. But if you use regular ones, it will look like the first one there. And now you should have two, or not two, like 4 over bands here. Two. Thank you for watching today's video. If you did, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Bye!